Now, News 13 Skywarn weather.
Well, it's about time. We have a storm on the way, and it's going to bring some snow across the San Juans of Colorado and eventually the southern San Juans, northern New Mexico as well. Winter storm watch in effect for the mountains north of Durango as we head in overnight tonight, but really Thursday and Friday, the 2 days we're going to watch with this. 12-plus inches of snow a possibility, and then another piece of this thing comes in over the weekend. So I do think we could be looking at a couple different snow events here, but going to be good stuff for us, no question. Durango Mountain Resort, Wolf Creek, all going to be looking at good snows from this storm. Partly cloudy and cool overnight tonight, 32 in the Durango area, and then tomorrow, increasing clouds throughout the day. A few showers late in the day is a possibility, with a high still pretty warm at 60 degrees. 41 partly cloudy, not quite as cool in Farmington for tonight, and then tomorrow's highs 65 degrees, and the clouds roll on in here and not as warm as it's been in past days, but still, it's going to be very interesting next, say, 48 to 72 hours. 54 right now, Durango, 61 in Farmington, 58 in Cortez, and 59 in Gallup. You can see the moisture streaming in already from the Pacific here. What we're going to get is this thing coming in a few different pieces here. The first piece is the reason that the National Weather Service in Grand Junction go ahead and issue that overall winter storm watch at this point. So what we're going to get here is that moisture flowing in for tonight. That's why we're going to get the increasing clouds and throughout the day tomorrow. Snow going to develop on the mountaintops during the day tomorrow. Also gusty winds out there for tomorrow as this thing gets ready to approach. And that first piece pushes through late tomorrow night and into Friday. Another piece could well come in on Saturday as well. And then another bigger core of the storm here. This is the real cold core low that's going to come on through as we push our way into Saturday night and Sunday. The thing that's problematic about this particular part of the storm is that it may well develop and scoot down just to our east. So that's going to be a concern for us. So if we're going to lose out on precip, it'll be with that second piece. But the first piece, as you can see, is going to develop the precipitation here across the Northwest Plateau, southwestern Colorado, by tomorrow afternoon, about 2 p.m. And that snow just kind of hangs around in the mountains tomorrow. Rain showers late in the day possible in Durango. And then that stuff continues into early Friday morning as well. And then it will just keep on going here as we push throughout the day on Friday. So I think Friday's going to be a pretty snowy day across the mountains. So here's a look at your storm report. Right now the storm is over the Pacific Northwest. Timing on this deal is going to be Friday through Sunday, although late tomorrow we could still get a few showers. What can you expect? Well, we're going to get much colder temperatures. Valley rain to snow in the Durango and Farmington areas, and then, of course, a lot of San Juan mountain snows. Now, we do have a high bust potential. Chances this doesn't happen, 45%. That's because that second piece could well end up scooting by us. So what we've got so far is plenty of moisture and the moist flow already starting here. Mild conditions, obviously, high snow levels for us early on, and then what eventually is going to happen for us is that first piece of the system drops its way on down and delivers some snow. But what we're worried about at this point is if that second piece just scoots on to the east, we will miss out on getting a whole lot in the way of picking up snow. So across the Northwest Plateau and southwestern Colorado, temperatures in the 60s tomorrow, increasing clouds, and then the chances for snow back into the forecast late on Friday and into